Now let us see the 57th question. Tritium, a radioactive isotope of hydrogen, emits which of the following particles? We know that tritium 1, hydrogen 3. This is called the tritium. We know that tritium is the only isotope among the three isotopes of hydrogen is the radioactive isotope. Tritium is the radioactive isotope. It has two neutrons plus one proton. The presence of two neutrons plus one proton is unstable. It decays to form helium 3 plus beta particles. Beta particles means it is represented as E minus 1 0 or beta minus 1 0. So, is beta particle.